Here's a brutal truth about crypto. 97% of you watching this video right now are going to fail. You'll get chopped up. You'll be used as exit liquidity and you'll walk away with a fraction of what you put in. 1 minute you're euphoric, thinking this is it, the bull run that will change your life. Next, you're staring at a sea of red, paralyzed, asking yourself, what the hell just happened? Here's the secret they don't want you to know. This isn't an accident, it's by design. The market is a machine engineered to transfer wealth from the 97% to the 3%. Today, I'm showing you how the 3% think. Not even just generally, how they are thinking right now about what's going on with the market today. Bitcoin sideways, ETH sideways. Many are saying September will be bearish. Others are saying September will surprise everyone. 97% will be wrong. So, I'm sharing 3 golden rules to have you thinking like the 3%. If that sounds good, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. This video is for informational purposes only. Crypto assets are high risk and are not suitable for all retail investors. This video is not intended for a UK audience. So many of you are worried about September. You've seen this chart. September is historically bearish, so it's all over. Wait, we mentioned last week it isn't really that simple, but many of you are still worried. Okay, do you want to stop worrying? Here's how to think about it differently. This whole bearish or bullish September thing is complete nonsense. Ask yourself, why do you actually care? If you hold alts and you believe they'll pump long term, does it matter if they pump or dump in September? No. If you believe in the bull run, then 3 months from now, you believe they will be higher. So why does the next month matter? Are you seeing rule number 1? Golden rule 1, think long term. This short-term thinking is killing your portfolio. Panic buy, panic sell, all you're doing is handing your money to institutions. Listen to this part. It is vital. Institutions cause mass panic on purpose. They need you to dump your bags so they can buy them cheap. They weaponize the media against you. They weaponize narratives against you. And I am so tired of it. You can probably hear it in my voice. Now, I make these videos to help you guys. I barely take sponsors and the ad revenue on YouTube is average. Doing these videos isn't a big payday. I do them because I want to share the mistakes I made on my journey so yours can be smoother. But 2021 was easy compared to today. Today, institutions are launching a mass assault on us, on retail. It is so much harder than when I started out. So I get it, guys, but please make me this promise. Promise me you won't buy their bullshit. Say it in the comments. I will not buy their bullshit because everything they say is lies and all the narratives you see day to day is noise. Rectember, blah, 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 blah. The key is to watch what they do, not what they say. Let's look at the facts. While the media is screaming about a crypto crash, look at BlackRock. They are investing billions into building infrastructure on Ethereum. Whilst you are panic selling ETH, ETF buyers are scooping up your sells. BlackRock now holds over 1.4 million ETH. Do you seriously think they believe Ethereum is done? Or are they playing a long-term game whilst you're panicking over a daily candle? Here's another brutal fact about crypto they don't want you to know. Did you know there was $27.6 trillion in stablecoin volume in 2024? That's more than Visa and MasterCard combined. And 2024 wasn't even a face-melting bull market. This is the financial system of the future being built and battle-tested right now. The institutions are building the rails. Look at that new chain Plasma backed by Peter Thiel, the co-founder of PayPal, and Paolo Ardoino, the CEO of Tether. It's going to redefine cross-border payments because transfers are free. Literal free stablecoin transfers all over the world. Why do we even need banks anymore? Crypto is the future. Think long term. That's how the 3% think. Let's talk about rule 2. Stay tiny and plan everything.